Hello everyone, this is Coach Graber. Today I wanted to create a video to help you work through solving quadratic equations by graphing. This goes along with the Desmos solving quadratic equations by graphing. So please open up that application and follow along. So on this first screen, we have a graph of the function x squared minus 3x minus 28. And the question is, what x values create an output of 42? So looking at this graph, I know that because 5 boxes is 50, each box is 10. So I know 42 is somewhere around this blue line. If I click on this parabola here, I can see that there's a point here exactly at 10, 42, where 10 is the x value and 42 is the y value. And the other side, there's negative 7, 42. What those points tell me is that the two x values that create an output of 42 are negative 7 and 10. On the second screen, it works the same way. The intersections are the solutions to the system of these functions. So the intersections of the 2 points that are the solutions to both of these functions. So clicking on these graphs, I have negative 1044 and then 318. Now we're talking about a system of equations. We did this back in the fall. The solutions are only the x values. So we'd say x is equal to negative 10 or 3. Remember, there's two possible solutions. You're just looking at those points where they cross. Now this one's here is a little trickier because it's hard to tell where they cross. So in this case here, there's one equation. These two graphs are the graphs to the left side of the equation and the right side. The red graph, the parabola, is the left side, and the blue line is the right side. So clicking again, if you click on one of these graphs here, you should see these 2 points here. Those are the intersections. So the solutions here are negative 5. Again, we just care about the x, and then negative 3. So it's x is equal to negative 5 or negative 3. So at this point here, what you're going to do for the rest of these screens is graph these and then find the solutions. So you want to graph this by typing in both sides of the equation. So type in y is equal to, and then the left side, so x squared minus 15x plus 36, that's the left side, and the right side is y is equal to 10. Now, one thing you need to be careful about is make sure that you can see where they intersect. On some of these equations, you won't be able to see the place where they cross. You might have to zoom out, or zoom in, or move the screen until you can find where they cross. Now, in this case here, I can see where they cross here and here. So I'll click around where they cross, and then it tells us the exact numbers. So the solutions are x is equal to 2 or 13. Those are my two solutions. Just write down somewhere where I can see it to give you a grade. So I just wrote it here. This does not show up on the graph, but I wrote it here so that you can receive a grade for it. So make sure on these screens, write it down so I can see it and give you a grade. Now, if you go back and do these again, let me know, and I'll give you a grade for these. I'll let you do the last 4 screens by yourself. Same thing. Graph the left side, graph the right side, and then write down where they cross. just the x values. The x values are 2 and 13. So those are my solutions. Again, if you have any questions, let me know. And keep working hard. I know this is tough doing it at home, but you guys are doing awesome. Never give up. Have a great day, guys.